Hey everybody, and welcome to another video. My name is Elric, and in this video we're going to be using SQL and Python to download a ton of historical data from YahooFinance. Now we're doing this because our FinHub free API only allows us to grab the most recent year, and when we want to backtest our strategies, we want more than a year. Some of these strategies are very rare, looking for very rare patterns, and we need to make sure that we have enough data to do so. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll explain what we're doing in that process. So SQL and Python, all right. Using the same query that we used in the past couple of videos, it's just getting the group ID and the key name, which this would be the symbol name, where it's active, and it falls under these categories. You know, the type ID is a stock, and the tenant 2 is my stocks project. So using requests, JSON, IO, time, and pandas, we're going to query YahooFinance. So I did know that putting headers in here prevents forbidden errors from Yahoo, because they are awesome and want to prevent people like me from doing this. So having these headers in here is really important, especially if you're doing a lot of polls, which we are. Same thing for the query is we're sending the query in under group input data frame, and we're taking that group input data frame, converting it to a dictionary so we can iterate over it a lot easier. I put the sleep for 3 seconds here just to try and help out the prevention of being banned, and my date time is just 1990 to who knows, probably 2 days ago. But for FinHub, we'll capture the last week, so we should have enough time. But even then, FinHub allows us to grab the last year, so we have some time. We're not rushed. So as we're iterating through and building the links, basically what I'm doing is saving the historical data in its own file. And this is what it looks like. So I have tons of data for all of our 2,500 stocks. So when we open one of these, all of our data is in here as we needed. So we're going to use basically we're not going to use adjusted close, but that's it. So very simple script, only 50 lines of code. Microsoft SQL executing Python, saving each individual file. We could append to a greater data frame, but since I am grabbing so much data, I wanted to make sure that I executed a separation between these stock symbols. So that is basically it. In the next video, I'll be doing the same thing for FinHub, so we can start, getting all of that replaced and move over to FinHub, which is a legit API versus just hijacking a download link. So thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time.